In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize your software stack in ClickUp step by step so you always know what tools you're using, what they're for, and who owns them. This is perfect for founders, teams, and freelancers who want a clean, documented system instead of scattered notes and forgotten subscriptions. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your ClickUp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to decide where your software stack should live. For most people, the best approach is to create a dedicated space just for this. On the left sidebar, click on Create Space. Name this space something clear, like Software Stack or Tools and Systems. You can choose an icon and color if you want, then click Create Space to continue. Now that your software stack space is created, it's time to organize it in a way that actually makes sense long-term. Inside the space, create a new list or folder, depending on how detailed you want to be. For a simple setup, a single list works great. Name the list something like All Software Tools or Company Software Stack. Next, we're going to create a set of tasks to organize everything. Each task will represent one piece of software you use. For example, ClickUp, Slack, Google Workspace, Notion, or any other tool in your stack. Click Add Task and name the task after the software. Inside each task, use the description area to document important details like what the tool is used for, who owns it, login or access notes, and renewal or billing information. To make this even more powerful, you can add custom fields. Create fields for things like monthly cost, category, status, and renewal date. This makes it easy to filter and see exactly how much your software stack is costing you and which tools are active or no longer needed. As you add more tools, repeat this process until your entire software stack is documented in one place. You can also assign tasks to owners, add attachments like invoices, and leave comments for updates or changes. Once everything is set up, you'll have a clear, organized view of your entire software stack in ClickUp, making it easy to manage, scale, and clean up when needed. And that's it. You've successfully organized your software stack in ClickUp in a simple, structured way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more ClickUp tutorials and productivity tips.